What is up? OG Rubber Ducky here, and today I have a Madden mobile pack opening. Back-to-back uploads for me. Show you my team. Nothing has changed, I don't think. I don't remember changing anything except for a couple of positions shouldn't change around. Yeah, I have some packs. Well, let's get into it. Let's start with the game plan packs. They're the trashiest ones. Then we'll go with this, that, those, and then we'll get into the pro pack. And after the pro pack, we'll do the stack player pack. After that, we'll do the team of the week player pack. Holo pack. Game day pack. Top 100s. And then, alright, let's get into the pack opening. Probably just gonna pull bronzes. If we pull silvers, it'll be cool, yes. Trying to fly through these because these aren't the best packs. How many do I have? Oh, we pulled a silver one that time. I got a gold player. Showdown Bonanza. See, this is why. Bronze and a silver that time. Alright, let's get into the pro packs. Yeah, hopefully we can pull an elite. Ooh, an elite out of a pro pack. Incredible. If we pulled two, that's going to be amazing. But we pulled an elite. Pretty much. I don't think we're going to pull anything out of the rest of these. I did pull one elite, which is actually pretty good out of pro packs. One elite. Not that bad. Stack player pack. Can we get an elite? No. Great. Team of the week. I really want to pull team of the week player. Elite one. But it looks like we're just going to get golds. Please. Elite, please. I think that was the last one. Alright, we're getting into some of the good, better stuff. Huddle pack. No elites here. Which, kind of upset that I didn't pull anything in these. I really like opening huddle packs. Game day pack. I did not pull anything in the game day pack either. But I know these are going to be elite. Top 100 player pack. Ooh. 80 linebacker Chandler Jones. And another Chandler Jones. So that's kind of And then we get a center, Weston Richburg. Let's review. We pulled Xavier Rhodes. We got the 87 Xavier Rhodes. Now we're just going to go to the team. Update the team. Now that we updated the team. Now, not many elites, but it was something. We're going to go actually create another. Well, I'll show you my progress. I'm working on this Alvin Kamara Master. Let's see. Also working on another one of the team of the week heroes, captains, whatever you want to call it. Really close. Yeah, let's go to my team really quickly. Gonna cut these players. See if we can pull someone besides Chandler Jones to end this all off. End it off with Malcolm Butler.